seriously, I mean, what's going on here? This weather here is like the Katy Perry song, hot and cold. You just know, you're in, you're out, you're up, you're down. Hi, my name is Gabriel Manic. I'm an actor, and I am a wet thirsty. Yeah, bye. Okay, well, we are in the event space of Big Storm Brewery here in Cape Coral. Is that correct? Cape Coral, Florida. We're just moving around. We're moving around the place. I'm looking at a Superman shirt. I've got a beer in hand. This is hurting my finger. Don't worry, my hands are getting healed by the minute. They've got a huge draft list, and I'm like, how many can I try? The answer is 4. But I decided to go with their Oktoberfest because guess what? It's cold outside. I'm feeling the Oktoberfest coming on. I told the story to David, so it's like, let's try this Oktoberfest. So the Big Storm Oktoberfest, it's a Marzen 6.4% here in, it says Clearwater, Florida. And that's what it says on the menu, but we're in Cape Coral. Anyway, so it's named the overall winner for 2016 in the Best Florida Beer Competition. 2016. I was reading some books back then, and I moved to Atlanta for the first time. So it's true to the spirit of the Great German Festival. This Oktoberfest Marzen Lager is brewed in traditional Bavarian ... I guess it's a mystery? All right, well, let's try this thing out because I love Oktoberfests. Let's try to find the best one. So, first sip's the one that counts when you're thirsty. Wow, that's malty. That's caramelly too. Wow. Actually, a good amount of flavor. I don't know if I'm getting cherry or something. Probably not cherry, but some form of, I want to say marzipan, but it's not marzipan. If you can think of it, David, some sort of marzipan. Isn't there something, a food or something that sounds like that? Or is it just marzipan? That's a food, right?
No.
He just went, Very, very cartoon-esque. We were watching a clip from Simpsons earlier, so he's feeling very Homer-otic? Okay. Jokes are, yeah, I don't want to get kicked over it. But it's really good. Like I said, malty, and I get caramel. Definitely wish it was a little more carbonated. Like when I got it, there was like a little bit of a head on it, but it kind of went away quickly, which is disappointing, but you know, it still tastes really good. I feel it could be a little more breadier, but the flavor is really, really good. So, yeah, honestly, it's pretty good. It's got the consistency of a soda. I don't know if people are listening, but honestly, like I said, it's really not too bad. The malty's there, the flavor's there, the ABV is there, and I'm here. So for this Marzen Oktoberfest, here in Cape Coral, Florida, I'm going to give this Oktoberfest, which I don't know if I've done on the channel yet. I think it's the first one. So I'm gonna give it a 7.6. It's pretty good, especially for a non-German brewery. So really good. If it was sunny outside, maybe it would be a 7, something. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But hey, guys, definitely come down here because it's definitely they have music on the weekends. They've got great patio. They've got rain for days, and looks like the food is pretty kick-ass too. Dave's been here before on a date, super hot date, and got this close to marriage. But you know, things happen. True story. But yeah, definitely make it out here because you'll have a blast like we are having right now. So cheers, and I will see you on the next one. Katy Perry, you know, figure it out. Find me on Facebook. Poke me.